Looking to make cooking easier and more fun? The Bella 7876 Electric Griddle is your new best friend. With 1500 watts of power, a super durable copper titanium non-stick coating, and precise temperature control, you can cook everything from pancakes to steaks faster and safer. Plus, it's easy to clean and features cool touch handles. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Discover the ASAB reversible cast iron griddle plate, the ultimate kitchen upgrade. With a durable, rust-resistant cast iron build, it features two sides, a ridged grill for perfect steak marks, and a flat surface for eggs, pancakes, and more. Equipped with integrated handles and oil drip trays, it's perfect for indoor cooking or outdoor camping. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Meet the Camping As Party Grill 400, the ultimate all-in-one portable barbecue that turns any outing into a culinary adventure. With 5 versatile cooking surfaces, including a non-stick griddle, grill grate, and a lid that doubles as a wok, plus 2000 watts of power, it's perfect for camping, picnics, or garden parties. Lightweight and easy to clean, it's a game changer for outdoor cooking. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Discover the AMZ Chef 4-in-1 electric grill, the ultimate kitchen companion. With 4 removable non-stick plates, adjustable temperature, and a cool touch handle, it easily transforms into a contact grill, waffle maker, sandwich press, or flat grill. Open it 180 degrees for versatile cooking, perfect for all your favorite recipes. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Introducing the BlackRock Grill Cast Iron Reversible Griddle Pan, a must-have for sizzling cooking at home or on the go. With 2 sides, one ridged for perfect searing and one flat for versatile use, this heavy-duty cast iron pan heats evenly and lasts forever. It's compatible with gas, electric, oven, and even camping grills. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Meet the Unicast Iron Dual-Sided Grizzler Plate, your new secret weapon for sizzling perfection. This 34 cm by 31 cm reversible pan features a smooth sizzler side for eggs and fajitas, and a ribbed grizzler side for those mouth-watering seared grill marks on meats. Made from durable, pre-seasoned cast iron with removable handles, it's perfect for indoor ovens, barbecues, and all your cooking adventures. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a powerful, durable, and versatile commercial electric griddle? The Timeco 42-inch stainless steel flat-top grill features an 8mm thick iron plate, a precise thermostat from 50 to 300 degrees Celsius, and a 1500-watt heating element for quick, efficient cooking. Perfect for restaurants, cafes, and food trucks. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment.